This is a USB rechargeable and portable massager that can be used for lower back massage, which that is what I use it, but can be used also for feminine health reasons that you might find better explained on the documentation. But here I'm just going to show you how it looks as a material and how it works. It's constructed of some kind of good quality plastic on the front. It has that kind of plaid, or what do you call that material? Really nice and soft. It has really soft bands, and they're elastic so they can extend as much as you want. And it has a button here that you can take it off if you want to do it that way, just like that. And here on the top, you have the charging port. It's a USB-C charging port. You have the vibration modes that are from M1 to M4, as you see right there. Then you have the turn off and on button. You hold it to turn on, and then you hold it to turn off when you need to. And here's where you lock your settings. So you found the setting you need, for example, hit lock, hold it just for a little bit, and then whatever you press, it's not going to turn off that easy. So let me just turn it on real quick. As you see, the numbers come on. Now the camera may not show it as good, but that vibration is actually not in real life. You click the vibration to change the modes, and right now it's vibrating. Let me see if I can show. As you see, it's moving throughout the table, so that was the best way I could show you. Let me click another one. As you see, moving slowly. That's just to show you the vibrations. Third mode is just continuous vibration, and the fourth mode is a little bit, I would say, one dot, line, that kind of a vibration. And if you click it again, goes back to normal. And here's where you would check the battery. You can switch the modes. One of the modes has even a heating element, and the lock is here, as you see. If I hold it right now, it should be on lock mode, and if I hold it again, it should get out of lock mode. Boom, just like that. And to turn it off, you just hold the power key and you are good to go. It is actually really useful. Really useful. Not even joking. I highly suggest it, especially if you have back pain or after work or whatnot. I know it looks like it's made only for feminine use, but that's absolutely not true with this one. It's for anyone that wants to put it on the lower back for back pain. Absolutely a super helpful tool to have, in my opinion. I've tried it quite a few times now, and it actually worked and helped. And no, this video is not sponsored by the company. It was not sent to me by them. I bought it with my own money. And after using it for a while now, I know that it actually works and helps. And in my opinion, it's worth every penny that it costs. And with that said, please hit like and subscribe. You got nothing to lose. Well, you can check on the link below. Take one of these and see it for yourself. And yeah, one more use that is used is for women in menstrual cramps, whatever that is. I'm not gonna get into how those things work, but you know better than me. It's used for that too, and I heard it's very helpful, but I wouldn't know that because I don't know. But I know for lower back pain or lower back aggravation, it actually works like a charm. So you can give it a try. You'll thank me later. And with that said, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!